Coming at you with another video, and on today's video I'm pretty much just back. I know I've been gone for a really long time. I haven't done any videos in the longest. Honestly, I don't believe I've done one video this year since January, if I'm not mistaken. And to be honest, I can't really say that I have a reason for why I did it. First portion would be I went through a complete job change, which also goes into a few story times that I'll be going over. Just life experiences that I didn't expect to go through this year at all. And I've honestly just been out and I've been living, if you want for me to be completely honest. And I just hadn't thought about picking up a camera, and that's even when it comes to my social media. For those of you who do follow me on social media, which I'm pretty sure I will have linked somewhere on this screen here, you guys would know I haven't posted, honestly, any pictures this year. I'm queen of selfies as far as I'm concerned. I love a good selfie. I love taking pictures. I love doing my makeup, and I love looking pretty. I like going out. I honestly just like to be seen. You know, to be honest, I like to be seen. I like the attention. I like to look pretty. I love to make myself feel good. You know what I mean? I love taking pictures and posting them from time to time and just letting people see my face periodically to say, hey, she's still cute. She's still here, you know? And I just didn't care about social media that much. I've gotten a lot of questions from my peers in questioning whether or not I still have my business or not. And yes, I do still have my business, MeenExtensions. I am rocking the au natural today. But my media and advertising has not been the best this year at all. And again, it is all just because of this life transition that I'm currently or have been going through. I can honestly say this year has really given me a whole bunch of life lessons that I will continue to take with me for the rest of my life. And like I said, everything will be in completely different videos. We'll have story times, things of that nature. A segment that I want to call Shoot the Shit Saturdays or Sundays. I might upload on either or, not too sure. And that's shit with a Y, not an I, because we're cool. But pretty much talking about the stuff that I've gone through, even previous years, story times, I guess you can say, advice stories, or just things that I've learned throughout my life, or especially throughout this year when it comes to friends and hanging out with certain people and stepping out of your comfort zone and realizing who's there for you, family, getting a new job and having more responsibilities. Just things that I'm pretty sure a lot of us already know on a regular, but just need somebody to hear say it again. Especially for me personally, it took for me to, you know, get a new job. I was a recruiter for 4 years at the company I was with. Still not going to say their name, simply because you never just know if I decide that I'll get a different position with them later in the future or not. But the company that I'm with now, I'm a human resource specialist, and it's 10 times more than what I had to do. And it was a lot of things that I had to let go of. It was a lot of things that I've gained after that. And 2019 has just been too much, and it's only September. Like, well, I'm not going to say it's only September, because pretty much the end of the year is here. Like, it's 2020 already. Like, your girl's going to be 25, and I don't know what the hell I'm going to do. I've, like, talked about this day for so long, about me being 25 and the stuff that I was going to do and all of the plans that I had and things of that nature. And I'm 24. I'm about to be 25. Like, bro, we old. So, yes, I'm here. I'm back. And I can't say that I'm going to stay. I'm not going to say I'm not going to be consistent. But, Y'all know how that go. But I just want to say thank you to the people that who do watch me, my consistent watchers, my loyal subscribers, all of the little few that I do have. Whenever I post that I'm going to be dropping a video, I have so many people that actually do watch me, which is crazy because a lot of them I know personally and they really look forward to my videos. I can't just say it's because, you know, your girl is cute or whatever. But I honestly really do think that they like listening to me. They like hearing my stories. They like seeing me do my makeup, even though I'm definitely not a makeup guru. I do my makeup the exact same every time. If you follow me on Snapchat, which will also be here as well, I do the same makeup looks because natural is best. I want to do the bold looks and stuff like that, but to be completely honest, I really don't know how. I honestly throw stuff together and I just pray that it looks good, and if it don't, you just throw some lashes on. Shop MeenExtensions, and I feel like it's a look. Once you throw on your mascara, some lashes, and some liner, I honestly feel like your makeup is going to be bomb as fuck regardless. If you know how to do eyeliner and put on some lashes, you bet. So yes, when it comes to the shoot the shit Saturdays and Sundays, if you guys want to let me know of a story that you want to tell, you got somebody you want to talk shit about, you got a family member that you want to talk shit about, you simply want to talk about something that happened to you over the weekend, you want to talk about something that happened a few months ago, you can email me at my business email, which is meenextensions@gmail.com. Yes, that is my hair business email is real. Also for inquiries, things of that nature. And if you are wanting to tell me a story or you just need advice or something like that, we can shoot the shit with each other. You know, you come from a back family, you know what shoot the shit is. You know, I will definitely tell you a story. I don't tell people's business. I've never been that person. Everybody who knows me, like, I'm honestly everybody's best friend. I don't know why, but everybody loves me. They love telling me their business. They like telling me their stories. Even if it's somebody that we both know personally. Ain't nobody gonna say that I've ever gone back and said anything to anybody about anything, because to be honest, it don't have nothing to do with me. So yes, you can bleep their names out, or you can make up alias names if you want to, or what have you, and I'll tell you a story for you. We can talk shit together, you know? So don't be scared. Make sure that you label it shooting the shit or shoot the shit so that I can know exactly what it is for. I'm not gonna go make a whole new email just for shooting the shit. I might later down the line, if I feel that it goes somewhere and we are shooting the shit with each other and all of us want to be one happy shitty family. But until then, make sure that you email me at my email. It's meenextensions@gmail.com. Don't forget to label it, or else I'm gonna think of you trying to buy some lashes or some hair. Okay, so now that we've pretty much gotten this cleared up that I'm not dead and I still look cute, you know, then maybe I'll post up some more videos just so that you guys can see my cute little face. So definitely stay tuned for additional videos. I just want to let you guys know that I'm not dead and I do still love you guys. So stay tuned for my next video because, oh, it's about to get crazy, baby. Crazy. Love you guys. Bye.